Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to calibrate the joysticks of AT9S Pro and AT10II transmitter. When there is any problem with the servo display or the servo value does not return to 0, check if the trim is set. If the trim is not set, but the problem still exists, please calibrate the joystick of the transmitter to solve the problem. If you have modified the stick mode, you also need to calibrate the joystick. And how to calibrate the joystick of AT9S Pro and AT10II. Take AT9S Pro as example. AT9S Pro is powered off. Push the left trim button to the left and power on AT9S Pro at the same time. We can see the green LED is flashing. Push the two joysticks to the four corners. And push all the switches to the maximum and the minimum stroke. Turn all the knobs to the maximum and minimum stroke. And then push the two joysticks at the middle point. And then push the left trim button to the right. AT9S Pro is powered on. Enter the servo display and push the joystick. We can see the servo display is correct, so the joystick calibration is successful. That's all about how to calibrate the joysticks of AT9S Pro.